Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Beginning, let's go to Google app. And now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes we'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap finish, and now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 22 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.